Hey guys, Singh Zima here. I just wanted to say what's up to my amazing fans, and I also wanted to say that I'm the biggest waste man on YouTube. Thank you.
Singh Zima, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I make love to a...
Hey guys, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm asking my friends to ask me questions. So this is the second Q&A. Your mother is gay. Suck your mother, Brandon. Okay, so first question, what is my biggest fear? What the fuck is my biggest fear? I don't like crocodiles. Since I come here, I just don't like crocodiles. You have people that like crocodiles. Next question, what's my favorite song from Vibes Cartel? There's so many. My favorite Vibes Cartel song is World Boss.
The girls them know, fresh every day I'm such. The thugs them know, when me touch mobile. Why pre?
Next, if I had to eat one meal for the rest of my life, what would it be? Pancakes and bacon. This is bacon so good, I don't know. What are my thoughts on these hoes in the world nowadays? Meds. You see them girl there? Them tell you say them a virgin. And so them send you nudes. Them all white, they see it. And it's like girls nowadays, we need to build sometime, you see, because it's like nowadays the man loyal and then like the girls just they move from man to man. Girls will need to fix up the thing like not supposed to be like that. If I had to redo something in my life, what would it be? To be honest, I would not do over anything because right now things mess up, you see, like God I gotta give you an next chance. And if it wasn't for my past experiences, I wouldn't be the person I am now. And I probably wouldn't be making this video because of my past experiences, so I actually wouldn't change anything. This is suck your mother. You hear that, you? Suck your mother.
What did you say, nigga?
What are my thoughts on my ex-girlfriend? She's a bitch. I was so into this girl and it's like, when my left is like, oh, you know I never really loved you. Life goes on, new girl. What do I think about my latest report card? Fuck school. My last report a fucker. If I go to a party and I find out that Sam is daggering a man, what would I do? Would I break a buckle and stab him up? In which grade was there a teacher that honestly wanted to like... This one IT teacher, I'm not calling her name, but Miss, your horse fought. What are my thoughts on the Earth's pollution? Brandon, I'm gonna give a fuck. So suck your mother. Which girls' school do I like more, Andrews or Immaculate? Two of them full of demon girl, based on what is going on the internet. Sorry, but I'm loving the state, so you see it. Most of my side chicks come from St. Andrews, so big up on yourself. Bless. What do I look for in a girl? Let me tell you something. You see my girl them?
You see me girl them, right. Them a fit teeth out a pot. What you mean? Taking meat, hold the cover when it's hot. My girl them, yo. Them a fi know fi cook a can curry chicken when me look a cow foot. My girl them, girl them.
Yeah dog. Big up to Zane Thompson from the United States of America. Big up Brandon Lowe from JC and big up Samuel Clark from...
The world may never know.
Them boy they faker than the China man, faker than the town designer brand, faker than the youth who take the pics of the fake girl them on Instagram.